Hello, everybody. For Tuesday, April 7th, today we have a lecture on constellations, and that will be posted on the Google Classroom today. You can answer, I think there's 6 questions on that chapter, and you can answer those right on your Google Doc. We've got one more chapter to go, so no need to turn that in yet. And then today, on this video, I am going to introduce this little constellations research project. I accidentally posted it on our Google Classroom yesterday, which created some confusion. But my intention was to have you start on that today after having seen this video. So hopefully this helps those of you who have already started. You'll have today, Wednesday and Thursday to work on that project. It's due by the end of the day on Thursday, and then no homework over the weekend, and then we just have one more chapter to go before we are done with this unit and we move on to space exploration. Okay, so mythology in the stars is underneath your classwork in the Google Classroom, and it starts out with just some history of the ancient myths and where they came from and how constellations came to be. And then step 1 is right here. It says select your research topic. These are some of the most popular constellations. However, if you wanted to go with your zodiac sign, or there was a different constellation that you were hoping to research, that is totally fine. These are just some ideas of some of the ones that we will be looking for in the night sky, just because they're the easiest ones to identify. After you've selected your constellation, the next part is to kind of create this same kind of template. Somehow you can use your creativity on another piece of paper or on a poster, or however you want to do it. If you want to make a slideshow, sidewalk chalk, I don't care. However you want to do it, you're going to take that constellation, sketch it out right here with just dots and lines, and then you're going to look for this information on your constellation and document that in some way. So again, if you want to just take a piece of paper and break it off into these sections and do it just like this looks, that's fine too. I'm totally open to whatever format you want to show me your research in. And then you can, depending upon the format, you can take a picture of it and upload it to Google Classroom or email it to me, or however you want to do it, and that's due on the 9th. Okay, so today, after you watch this, watch Chapter 3, Constellations lecture, and then I'll also have another little video about how to locate Orion in the night sky. And Tuesday night might be a decent night if the clouds stay away. Have a good day.